Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm jumping back into a quick video for you guys. So if you haven't noticed, I recently colored my hair. So it's always good to do some sort of treatment to reinforce strength back into those compromised cuticles. I'm using Cream of Nature's 3-step Plex Breakage defense system, and the first step is their Bond Mender pre-treatment. This will reinforce weak bonds and help fill in fragile strands. The consistency of this kind of reminds me of just like a gel styler. It doesn't make your hair hard or anything like that, which a normal protein treatment would do. But I like how this went in simple, just like a leave-in conditioner or like a gel styler, like I said before. So make sure you brush all that product through, and the directions say to leave this on for 10 minutes, which I did, which probably went over for about 15 minutes, but leave this on for 10 minutes and then go on to the next step. So I've already rinsed out my hair and I've went on to step 2, which is the restoring shampoo, and now we are at step 3. Now with the restoring shampoo, this moisturizes and nourishing, removes impurities and buildup, while the restoring conditioner moisturizes and improves dry, damaged strands. Now don't be shy with this conditioner because I'm going to be doing a deep treatment, which is longer than the 5 minutes that is instructed on the bottle. So if you want to do a deep treatment with any conditioner, you can turn that into a deep treatment by applying heat. So I'm going to apply the conditioner to my hair. Instead of having it on for 5 minutes, I'm going to deep condition for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to be using a hot head cap, which you put in the microwave for 2 minutes, and it will provide you with about 20 to 25 minutes of heat. Now next up for my styling, now since I've used Cream of Nature to shampoo and condition my hair, I'm going to be using Cream of Nature to style my hair, and I do this with any product, so whatever I shampoo with, I like to style with. I'll be styling with the Pure Honey line, starting with the Breakage leave-in conditioner. I like this leave-in conditioner because it's very light. I can pair it with a lot of heavier creams, and I can also use it alone. To make this process go a little faster, I like to put the leave-in conditioner on the entire section, and then I'll be doing my styler by section, if that makes sense. It just works better for me. I'll be using their Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. Like, I love this cream because it's very heavy, gives you great definition, and it's perfect for a twist out, hence the name Twisting Cream. So I'm going to be using larger sections. I only did maybe 20 twists with this. This was probably the quickest twist out I've ever done because I'm not using perm rods on the end. I'm simply just letting my hair curl up. So I will be having a lot of shrinkage because I'm not using rods for this twist out. Which in this case is fine because in the end I achieved like a cute short bob type style. You'll see once this is all done, which I like. So another thing with these twist outs, you have to make sure everything is smooth and neat when you're twisting, because that's going to determine the type of definition you get in the end. No matter what product you use, if you're not neatly twisting your hair, you won't achieve the results you may see on someone else who took their time and twisted their hair. So it all comes down to your technique, not just a product alone. So keep that in mind. With my hair, because it's a little more finer than most, my ends will curl up once my hair fully dries. I had to learn that the hard way, assuming that I could never do my hair like this because my ends weren't going to be curled, which is why most of my twist outs had perm rods on the end. So as you can see, my hair curled up just fine. The definition was amazing. So I will be using this technique multiple times, just whenever you want a quick twist out and you don't feel like doing perm rods, multiple products. All you really need is a good leave-in and a nice styler. And sometimes you can even do this with just a leave-in alone. So as you can see, my definition was amazing because I took my time and I twisted my twist nice and neatly and just finger coiled the ends. If you are transitioning and your ends are straight, I recommend using perm rods and you can still achieve this look. I have multiple twist and curl techniques on my channel. And this is where you make your style your own. I like to separate the least amount possible just so that my style lasts me through the week. If you like to separate fully and get the biggest hair of all time, feel free to do so. I like to separate my hair just enough to where I know my style will last me throughout the week. So this was later that day. So as you can see, I have a little bit more volume than I did initially And that's just by just letting my hair do its thing. I still have great definition overall, so I don't feel like I have to fluff my hair because I love the definition and I want more definition than volume. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.